Imagine waking up in the middle of Gurgaon, but instead of seeing those tall, boring buildings, you open your balcony to lush green landscapes, forest-inspired pathways, and a beautiful view of the pool, which feels more like a private resort retreat. Sounds rare, right? Well, hey everyone, this is Kushi and this video is presented to you by Amog Buildtech. Today, we're going to explore the Suncity Monarch in Sector 78, Gurgaon. So right now we are standing here at one of their already delivered projects just to get an idea of the developer's work. So the kind of specifications that they have provided in this project are pretty much similar to the ones that you can expect in their upcoming project, which is the Suncity Monarch. So now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So this project is strategically located in Sector 78 Gurgaon, one of the fastest growing residential corridors. SPR Road and Naurangpur Road are just 5 to 10 minutes drive away. And not to forget, this project is situated in the heart of DLF ecosystem, DLF6 ecosystem. So you can expect the kind of pros this will be having in the future. And not to forget, Dwarka Expressway is also just 15 minutes drive away, via which you can connect to IJ International Airport, which is about 40 minutes drive away from here. So before jumping into the project, I just want you to quickly understand the kind of benefits this location has. DLF has already acquired 800 acres of land nearby, out of which 125 acres of land has been opened to development. So you can expect the kind of ecosystem that they're going to create here. DLF Mall of India, one of the biggest malls here in India, and Cyber City 2 are also going to be located nearby in this vicinity. This project might not give you overnight returns, but this will surely give you the best possible returns in the upcoming 2 to 4 years. Now let's quickly talk about the developers behind this project. The Suncity Group has delivered multiple projects all across Gurgaon and other cities, such as the SL Tower, the Platinum Towers where we are standing right now, and the 140-acre township on Golf Course Road. They haven't delivered just for the sake of it. They are known for the landmark in the nearby vicinity where they delivered the project. Now let's finally talk about the project. The Suncity Monarch features 5 ultra-luxury towers, each rising G+45 high, offering you 3 and 4 BHK apartments with 900 apartments in total. And that is the phase 1 only. Now let's talk about the amenities. The amenities here are designed to give you a complete lifestyle within the community. You will have access to meditation and yoga zones, multi-purpose sports and gym area, a dedicated kids area, temperatured swimming pools, and so much more. Now let's talk about the project. One of the notable and delivered luxury developments is this Platinum Towers, where we are standing right now in Sector 28 MG Road, and this project is widely recognized and popular for its high-end specifications and its prime location, and these are the similar kind of specifications which you will be getting in their upcoming project, the Suncity Monarch in Sector 78 Gurgaon. Now let's take a complete look at the apartment and then we'll talk. So as soon as you enter the house, you will be welcomed by this huge foyer area where you will have your powder room along with the guest room, which is kind of huge, and it is kept separated from the rest of the house to maintain privacy. We'll talk about it later. First, let's take a look at the living room and the dining area. Now let's talk about the living area and the dining area, which are kept side apart. First, let's talk about the living area, then we'll go to the dining area. So this is a very cozy and a family-friendly space where you can spend relaxing time with your family or your loved ones. Now let's talk about the balcony, which is attached with your living area. So this is your dining area where you can easily place a 6-seater dining table. And oh, I forgot to mention that you'll also be getting another attached balcony, which I think is very thoughtful of the developer. You'll never run short of the natural lightings. That means more and more positivity. And if you're talking about the dining table, let's not forget where the food comes from. So this is where your food will be prepared, and I think the space in the kitchen is just good enough. They have not wasted so much space here and they have given it instead in the living area, which I think is perfect. So before we talk about the rooms that I think you're most excited about, first let's take a quick look at this empty area, which you can design as per your taste. You can convert it into a prayer room or study room or whatever you like. I think I would love to showcase my perfume collection here, but that's totally up to you. Now let's finally go to the master bedroom, which I think you must be waiting for. This is your master bedroom, and when I say master bedroom, I mean it. Just take a look. Oh, you're here. So this is another master bedroom, and this is for the masters of the house. You will be getting an attached walk-in closet, which you'll not be getting in that room that I showed you earlier. And how can I forget my favorite part, an attached balcony with an amazing view. So this is it for this project. If you have any query related to this project or any other project, just call us on the given numbers. And if you have enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. It will encourage us to make more such videos for you guys. Till then, Khushi signing out.